Welcome back to Car Flair. Today we're exploring a vehicle that's redefining compact luxury travel, the all-new 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Van. Designed for modern nomads and outdoor enthusiasts, this camper van combines Toyota's legendary reliability with smart innovation and comfortable living in a sleek, road-ready package. At first glance, the 2026 Toyota camper van impresses with a clean, aerodynamic body that looks both modern and functional. Built on Toyota's latest light commercial chassis, it's compact enough for city driving but spacious enough inside for serious adventure. Its sleek front fascia, LED lighting, and bold grille give it a strong road presence, while high ground clearance and durable all-terrain tires make it trail-ready too. Under the hood, Toyota equips it with a 2.5-liter hybrid engine producing around 245 horsepower. This setup balances smooth highway cruising with fuel-efficient off-grid travel, perfect for long trips without frequent fuel stops. With regenerative braking and multiple driving modes, you're getting power when you need it and efficiency when you don't. The real story begins when you slide open the side door. Inside, Toyota has created a space that feels like a premium mini apartment on wheels. There's a cozy double bed that folds out in seconds, a fully equipped kitchenette with an induction stove, sink, and a 12V fridge. Overhead cabinets, hidden storage, and modular furniture make the most of every inch. Opposite the kitchen, you'll find a compact wet bath complete with a toilet, retractable shower, and built-in ventilation system, perfect for travelers who want self-contained freedom. Ambient LED lighting, USB-C charging ports, and solar panels feeding a lithium battery bank make off-grid living both stylish and sustainable. The driver's cabin is just as refined, featuring Toyota's latest infotainment system on a 12-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and digital climate controls. Advanced safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree parking cameras to give you confidence wherever you roam. With a starting price around $72,000, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Van is ideal for solo travelers, couples, or digital nomads who want comfort, mobility, and dependability in one smartly designed package. It's compact on the outside, spacious on the inside, and built to explore with confidence. Thanks for watching Car Flair. Drop your thoughts about this new Toyota camper van in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews on the latest camper vans, motorhomes, and adventure vehicles hitting the road.